Did you know your baby starts hiccuping at just 9 weeks pregnant, even though their lungs don't work yet? These tiny rhythmic movements aren't random. They're actually your baby's diaphragm doing strength training for their first breath. Some babies hiccup way more than others in the womb, and scientists recently discovered something amazing. The pattern of these hiccups is directly connected to how your baby's brain develops. Most moms feel these little jolts and wonder what's happening, but it's actually one of the most important exercises your baby does before birth.